How to log out of your Hoop account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Hoop account. So to do that, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is simply open the Hoop app on your mobile device. After that, this will be your home page where you'll have to simply tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the settings page where you'll have to scroll all the way down until you see the option logout. So in order to log out, simply tap on it, and without any warning you will be directly logged out of your Hoop account. And if you want to log back in, simply tap on the option login, which is right over here, and then you will be able to log in using any one of these two methods, which are using your Apple account or using your Google account. So, hope this video cleared your confusion on how you can log out of your Hoop account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.